Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. So in this video we'll see how to dockerize a simple nodejs application. So we'll take a simple nodejs application, write a docker file, build the image and run it in a container. So you'll be able to curl your app from anywhere. So the basic prerequisite is all you need are nodejs, docker installed and basic understanding of JavaScript or Express. So let's begin the implementation. So first we'll create a directory with the command make directory node app and change the directory node app, and here we'll create a basic server.js file. Give the command touch server.js and we'll copy some code. So this code will listen on port 3001 and simple send hello world message. So after that we'll create a package.json file. So we'll write the command npm init dash file and we'll install the in Express also. Npm install Express express, press enter. So it will take some time, depend upon your net speed, to install the dependencies. So now we'll clear the screen and we'll create a docker file. So write the command touch docker file, press enter. Now we'll start writing our docker file. So first command will be from and give the base image node colon 18 dash alpine because it's lightweight. So that's why I'm taking alpine. Now we'll set the working directory, give the command work directory and give this slash user slash src slash app. After that, we'll copy the package.json file using the command copy package start dot json dot slash. Now we'll run the dependencies, like give the command run npm install. After that, we'll give again the copy command and copy the source code, all the application code. Now we'll export the application with the export at 3001. Now we give the CMD and we'll write node server.js. It will run when the container will start. So check the once our Docker file. From node 18 and final directory. Okay. Now we'll build the image. So before building the image, we will log into our Docker account. So give the command docker login dash u for username and give your username. I'm giving my username and orp docker login. It will ask for password dot. So I'm logging in my Docker account. Now we clear the screen and build the Docker image. For building the image, add the command docker build dash t and give your username of Docker app account slash give the application name node app and after that dot docker build icon. Okay, now we'll press enter. So it will take some time to build. Now the image got built. We'll check Docker image. So here you can see 10 seconds ago it's created and the image tag is latest and size is 195 MB. So now we'll first clear the screen, we'll run this image. So write the command docker run hyphen d dash p and give the port 2001 colon the container port and your username colon sorry slash application name node docker and let me check one node. I think node task press enter. So it's now check the docker container ps dash. So you can say it's created 13 seconds ago and it's up and listening on port 3001. So now we'll curl. So that first I will clear curl http slash colon localhost colon 3001. So here you can see hello world is coming, and we can also check in the browser also. Let me show you in the browser. Local host 3001. So it's my own different screen. I will say, see, it's hello world is coming on localhost 3001. So now we'll push the image to the Docker hub. So we'll add the command here, docker push, and give your username slash the app name node that app, and press enter. So it's got pushed. So I will show you in my Docker hub account. See here, the app got pushed 4 seconds ago. Cement in node app. So in this way you can push the image. So that's all from this video. In the next video we'll see uh, how to achieve multi container pod. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.